Today we are going to talk about a very helpful tool called Bluedot AI, a platform that uses artificial intelligence to take meeting notes automatically, a feature many business owners, team leaders, and professionals dream of because manual note taking is slow, distracting, and easy to lose. In this video, I will explain what Bluedot AI is, how it works, what makes it special, and whether it is really delivers the free AI meeting notes that actually work. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description to check out the Bluedot AI with any available free access or trial. By using the description link, any available benefit or special access that will be applied automatically, so you get the best experience possible. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, let's understand why automatic meeting notes matter. In many meetings, whether team calls, client discussions, or interviews, important ideas, action items, deadlines, and decisions are shared. If you are the one taking notes, you often miss the parts of the conversation because you are typing instead of listening. This can lead to misunderstanding, forgotten tasks, or wasted time, or trying to recall what was said. If Bluedot AI can capture accurate note for you, it frees you to focus on the actual meeting. This is especially helpful for people with busy schedules or those who participate in many calls each week. So, what is the Bluedot AI? Bluedot AI is an artificial intelligence platform that listens to your meeting, either live or recorded, and generates the detailed summarize, key points, action items, and even suggested the follow-ups. The idea is to give you clear and concise meeting notes without you having to write anything manually. Many people compare it to having a personal assistant who pays attention to every word and organizes the information for you. One of the first things that users notice about Bluedot AI is how easy it is to get started. You simply connect to your meeting platform or upload the recording and the AI goes to work. Bluedot supports popular video conferencing tools, so it can join your call or access the recordings securely. Once the meeting is finished, it can analyze the content and organize the main point and presents them in an easy to read format. Some users say this alone saves time and hours of time in every week because they no longer have to reply recordings or rewrite the summarize by hand. But how accurate are these AI meeting notes? Bluedot AI uses the advanced natural language processing to understand the speech and context. It highlights the key decisions that were made, action items that users need to follow up on, and people who were assigned the task, and even important quotes that might be useful later. Instead of a long block of content that you still need to clean up, Bluedot presents notes in organized section so you can find what you need quickly. For example, you might see a summary at the top or the follow-up by section like the task, idea, deadlines, and follow-up suggestions. This structure helps you to stay organized and reduces the time you spend reviewing the lengthy transcript. Another impressive part of Bluedot AI is the ability to search through your past notes. If you have many meetings stored, you can search for the keyword or the topic and the AI will pull the relevant notes based on what you said. Now, this is useful when you need to recall the details from a previous meeting or share information with someone who was not present. Instead of digging through hours of recording, you simply type a keyword and find the relevant summary instantly. One of the reasons Bluedot AI attracts attention is that it offers free access at a useful level. Many other AI note or meeting tools require the paid plan just to generate the summaries or access the multiple recordings. With Bluedot's free trials, you can start using the useful meeting summaries without spending money, which is a big advantage for beginners or freelancers and small teams who want smart features without a big budget. But of course, there are some limitations. As with any AI-based tool, the accuracy of speech recognition depends on the quality of the audio. If the meeting recording has a lot of background noise, overlapping voices, or unclear audio, the notes may need editing. Also, while Bluedot AI can summarize and organize the content very well, it's still important for humans to double check the action items and decisions to ensure nothing is misunderstood. AI is powerful, but it is not perfect. It still benefits from human overview. It is also worth to noting that Bluedot AI respects privacy and security, which is important when you are dealing with sensitive meeting content. The platform uses secure processing and allows you to control who has access to your meeting notes and summaries. So, is Bluehost AI worth to using? If you are someone who attends many meetings, interviews, or calls and wants reliable organized notes without the stress of writing them manually, then Blue.ai is definitely worth to trying. Its free option gives you a powerful taste of what AI note taking can do, and once you see how much time it can save, upgrading become much easier when your needs grow. You get accurate summaries, you can get the organized section, searchable content, and a tool that really feels like it is working for you behind. Now that's it for today's video. That was the review of Blue.ai. If this video helped you to understand how AI can give you the free meeting notes that actually work, then give it a like and share it with someone who hates taking manual notes. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.